Then, magpapaya rin. Dito na kayo sa marriage hall. Diri mas na third modern marriage hall na ba? Tama ma.
And my phone.
Below.
Phone.
Yeah, how are we doing streaming? We need Wi-Fi.
Kuha sa ako. Oh, dili na yun, no?
So Jocelyn's doing her side of the family. So we need a video call.
So you've got everybody in that group now?
Everyone's in the room.
Tangga.
I got you.
Ang bilo. Ako na ba? Sige na. Kanang bilo.
I'm gonna get it.
Butang sa bag na yan. Ma'am, yung Ulo manata na.
Okay, 120 frames.
We're going to have the inside with you at the wedding here. Set up the price that
Wait,
over there.
not the 17 Pro Max is camera.
The camera
Yeah,
is
going
going
with it.
picture.
No,
I gotta take pic of that.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that okay? Okay, that's
Yeah, look,
what
this camera is 4K,
Yeah.
60 frames a second.
Alright, can I use it? Later on, I'm gonna use
No, we'll take photos after.
Thank you there. I'm gonna set up this later on.
So we're recording the ceremony on that
What's
side. On the 14th.
That's the entire wedding, the ceremony.
This camera's good.
Oh, what's okay? Just the camera na na-shoot na lang kanina lang.
Yeah, it's
That's
not.
this one is like good for camera. He got ano.
I want this to use as a video.
Yeah,
I want
please.
pictures.
Pictures is here.
Yeah.
And you can use also your own mama papa.
If that's okay, only because it's 4K. Sorry.
Stop saying 4K.
Riding room.
No one's in our group yet, Matt.
Huh?
No one's in the group
No,
yet.
you just have to.
We're not gonna ano na this one love where
People
this.
don't join, they're already in it. You just call
Well,
it.
good na ni. Yeah, we're not going to.
We're live. Kaslo na si An-An. Nanami sa wedding hall. A marriage hall. Waiting for ano.
Hold on. Are we going to use this now? Are we going to use this? No. Are we going to use this or not?
That's lovely.
What do you think? Do I need to put it on?
Yeah. You need it.
Yeah, can you help me with this?
Saan yung puti? Yung ano? Ako rin ako use video. Una na ali. Oh yes.
That's lovely.
Okay, like that.
Kanino. Anak dapat. Physical.
Naman to ipit anak Lin.
Alright, can you just message in the group?
No, because we gonna ano lang.
I'm not going to mute us. Right, we're not muted, so you can all hear. Everyone is here.
Who's there? Is anyone?
Rob, Emily, Cream.
I can speak. Hello.
Who's that?
Rob.
Rob, Emily, and Cream.
If you face that camera for us. That's my friends.
Hi, Rob.
Is that Rob? I know.
Hi.
You can just
Hi,
hit
Rob.
record as soon as you want.
Sorry, they asked me. They just said something. They asked me I want to go
Right room.
Hmm.
Check if it's on early Saturday.
Busy si Andre.
Here. Or maybe there. Or maybe there.
That's fine. Living. Come on.
Right there?
Yeah. Right there. Vicky.
Maya, dyan ka mag-ipon. Okay. I want the pictures. Doing the pictures. Oh, record ako?
Ikaw ba?
Andre, check if it's working. Mom, Vicky?
Vicky.
I was just letting your mum take
Oh, sorry. No, that's fair play.
Mr. News around the matrimony, it is my duty to remind you of the solemn and binding character of the marriage contracted under the marriage ordinance, which is an all voluntary union for life of a man and one woman to the exclusion of all others. Therefore, by the public taking of each other as man and wife in my presence and in the presence of the persons now here, and by the subsequent attestation thereof by signing your names to that fact, you become legally married to each other under no other rights of civil or religious nature shall take place.
Please bring your wedding rings room to the bride. The ring, just the rings. Yeah. There we go. Also. Bride to the groom. Okay. I call upon all persons here present to witness the I, Matthew Francis Conway, do take the Louisiane Sakaya to be my lawful
Full name.
wedded wife.
Full name of the bride.
Full name. Louisiane Sakaya, Otero Sakaya. To be my lawful wedded wife. The bride term.
I call upon all persons present to witness that I, Louisiana Sakaya, do take the Matthew Francis Conway to be my
Yes.
Short and sweet.
This one? And this?
Yeah, finally.
You got it now, you can have him.
No.
This is Conway.
Lucy Conway.
Thank you. There you go.
Congratulations.
You may kiss the
Married.
bride.
Andre, picture Ate Leah.
Picture of the lady of drink. Right there.
Here.
Top of her name.
so
We'll
much.
make a stand and return you the marriage
Say
certificate.
again.
We'll make a stand and return you the marriage certificate. Stand up. This is your marriage certificate. Congratulations.
Yes! Miss Connie. There's the bride. Wait, wait. Oh, no come. No come.
Right.
Here. Okay, congratulations, guys.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're going to speak to the people
Yeah,
back home.
hello.
Hello.
During the ceremony.
Tell all the people back home who've only just arrived
Yeah.
that
Yeah,
while
so,
they're
sorry
married,
guys.
so come together,
Yeah.
say hello, because I think
Yeah.
Suzanne's just joined.
Okay,
So
it's the
say
bride.
Please say hello.
So they asked if they wanted to start early, and they said yes, and it's done.
Yeah, sorry
So they are
guys.
now
But there's a
married,
video.
but they're going
We'll
to say
share
hello
the
to you,
video.
and we will send you videos.
Yeah, they did. It happened
They
so
didn't
quick.
seem to give them a choice.
They made us sign it all quick and they've just stalked out the back.
Yeah.
So
The registrars have been and gone, so they don't hang about here.
yeah, they don't hang about. But yeah,
But
no,
say
thank
hello.
you for watching. Hi.
Mr. and Mrs.
Mr. and Mrs. Conway. Yeah.
Yay!
That was quick.
It was very cool.
I
Yay!
can take it in.
Yeah. But yeah, thanks for hard watching.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Picture tatanan.
Who's in there?
So you've got
Suzanne.
me, Rob, Emily, Suzanne, Hannah. There's a few more people coming on.
Ah.
Yeah.
And
Picture,
they-
I want to show you.
Asam
People
kalapit.
coming on to court.
Oh.
I'm not sure who else we've got. Is that Lee? Hi, Lee.
We'll put the video in.
Live. Mommy.
Lee's there.
Yeah, hi everyone. We had to start a little bit early and it's already, the ceremony's already done. But we're married, so we did it.
Just say, well, there's a
Where's
video.
Papa?
Yeah, there's a video and we'll share it with you all. So,
That was quick.
yeah, it was
Maybe pila na
Share
ba
in the
ito?
same group.
yeah, I'll put it in the group, but I was surprised it literally took like 5 minutes. We thought it'd be
Not
like a
even
20,
that.
25-minute ceremony, so.
Congratulations, my
Yeah. Congratulations.
Hello, you mama.
Congrats! Congrats, everyone! Congrats!
Thank you.
Congrats, everyone! Congrats, Thank
you.
Best wishes! Congrats, Ma! Congrats!
Thank you. You auntie. I am now Filipino.
Yeah, you are now Filipino. we are family now. Thank you, everyone.
We've got Andre, who's his brother. Say hi.
Much fun. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. Yes. Yes, welcome to the family. Everyone. Okay.
Yeah.
I was wondering we say your name.
And obviously your
And
little
Mike,
finger.
It's like, please tell me he knows the full name.
No, thanks for joining everybody. Sorry for the
We've still got Rob.
Rob's still there.
That was so quick, Ma. So quick, huh? Only a minute. 10 minutes? 5 minutes?
Yeah.
maybe.
5 minutes, I guess. So quick.
You keep this in the bride folder.
Yeah, we're all passport holders.
Let's go out and take picture.
Oh,
Yeah.
in here first, in here first, here first.
Yeah, in here
Yeah, in here first. Yeah. Which one? Oh,
So quick,
Ito
no?
sa kamo sa duha, una sa duha.
In the center.
Photographer, grabe wala.
Chris.
Kisa ni, mana eh? Ako ni matang kong wife.
Yeah, good. Thank you. Married now.
Finally.
Thank you. Lucy's over there. Lucy, come here. Say hello to Chris.
Hiya.
Hello, Chris. I'm behind the camera. So, there is a video that
Congrats everyone for watching.
They were
Ah,
There's a video.
Yay!
that Matt
Finally,
will
they are
put in
Mrs.
this room
Mr. and Mrs. Conway.
Because when we got here, they said at 10 o'clock we
Where
want to
were
start
our
early,
holders?
and your brother said yes.
Come here.
And literally,
Yeah.
within 5 minutes, within 5 minutes, we were in the room. The stars had done it, and gone out the back door. So the ceremony.
Thank you
took about-
everyone for watching.
Yeah, it took about 3 minutes, if that.
Oh, we need to take a picture inside because we have 5 minutes
And,
left.
they're both beautiful.
Ceremony.
Your brother looks very.
Got black socks on now. It's alright, it's fine. Just don't take a picture of my feet.
I'm sorry.
There's lots of pics, and we'll send
No,
them.
no, it's alright.
They're on the side.
Alright, I'll send you as many pics as I can.
Hold on.
Tara nga.
Come
Oh,
on.
hang on.
Love you. Hi
Bye.
Jess, if you're there. Got to say hello to you.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay,
we've
let's
still
go
got,
here
we've still
now.
got
Yeah,
Rob,
we're doing
Emily,
both.
Cree,
And then,
What are we doing?
and Suzanne and Leah sit here.
That was so
His beard.
I know. Come, love. And open the gift. Come here, love.
for you.
Come here in the center.
Oh.
We're holding passports. You can't
Yeah,
even
okay.
see my British passport. Okay.
Passport una? Sige, passport.
International.
You can't see my GP on
Ah.
Right, hang on a minute.
Yeah.
Next is the
yeah,
marriage
yeah,
certificate.
That's a better idea.
Oh.
Ria,
Ah?
not open.
Oh.
Sorry, you like, I keep forgetting I've got the
One,
camera.
two,
and I
three.
keep putting it down. I do apologise.
Uy, happy po, uy.
Ay, happy
Next
birthday.
is marriage certificate.
Mm.
Marriage certificate.
Oh, Mandy's just joined.
Just like this.
Right.
You're
Dili
right.
ka to na lang tong ay mo na.
Fine,
Or ka tong
yeah.
isa gyud.
Mandy's just joined.
Dili niya i-open.
Isunod pa, ay go out pa.
Yeah, open. Mo na siyang
So yeah, here's
kuwan.
the
Oh,
next
duha
Mo
mo
na
ka
pa
kana
kita.
ana.
There is a-
Duha mo gunit.
Put in the group.
Duha
Itabon
mo gunit.
itabon sa kuan
They
first.
look beautiful.
Ano sa? Oh.
Very happy.
Kani.
Duha mo gunit.
Married.
Wala na tar.
And Mandy.
Sige na.
1, 2, 3.
Ang iyang
I'll just introduce you to
Kiss the bride. Kiss the bride.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, sorry Mandy, we got we
Bouquet,
got
bouquet.
here a bit earlier.
Matthew's
Mandy.
auntie now is
Yeah,
on.
my auntie.
So,
Mandy.
They put a ring on it.
Take picture. Take picture, okay. No,
I
Will.
don't
Hug me.
know. He,
Hug me.
Matt, tell
Ah, that's better.
You don't have-
Iwang
we don't
bouquet.
have messenger.
Closer sa...
1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Ah.
so they
Eh, that's not.
Oh wait again.
That's beautiful.
Are you still there, Mandy?
Kiss kiss.
Yeah.
Oh. So nice.
It's
So nice. They look so happy.
Parents.
Yeah, we were so happy.
Mom, parents first.
Parents
Lisa's
first.
mum and
After
the
everything.
I know.
Mom, pa,
And then Lisa's best friend.
no, parents.
Yeah,
Mom.
and Lisa's auntie next to Vicky.
Hi.
And then this is Lisa's dad. Joseph.
Ano pa dapat? Say. Ano na ako kaya manong dito na. Doon mo tatapok ba daw na lahi bantog. Ano na ako kaya?
Nagkamira na yung mata.
Oo nga.
Okay, picture parents first.
Yeah, parents to parents first.
Right, I have to go for pictures now.
Ah,
Thank you.
Sila sa
Are you
sa
a
parents.
parent?
yeah, I'm the one to hold after them.
Yeah.
Picture na? Live.
We'll be on it together.
Picture, picture.
Together later.
Yeah. Oh,
Together later.
so who do you want now?
Okay, don't now.
Gani, parents, gani. Yeah,
Who's
Parents,
parents?
you go first. But I do the picture, your picture.
My parents first.
Mhm.
Just us and my parents.
Vicky.
Yeah, Vicky, come here.
Yes, of course. Okay.
You're not witness getting it.
Okay. Center na Liam. Okay na, good na.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2.
3. Ang tarong booking. Ayaw kayo.
Down, down,
Ano,
sa-
Ano, down.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ako lang mo.
1, 2, 3. Next pose. Okay.
Ah, waki-waki, waki-waki. Waki-waki. Waki-waki, waki-waki, waki-waki. Ah, look at to the new the parents look at to the new liwids. Look at to the new liwids. Yeah, like that. Look the bride. Good. That's good.
Okay, kiss, kiss.
Kiss. Oh, more look at.
Okay.
And then kamusa. I hold. Ako na. Manong. Andre, join, Andre.
Join everyone.
Mm.
Join everyone first and then my parents. Sige na. Closer pa. Closer baka para maigo.
Yes.
2, 3.
Oh, big family. Now they have a big family.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay. Apila dito
Okay.
So I put her. The camera, wait, because they were watching.
There's one pa kaning
Wait.
iPad, everyone.
If anyone needs to go to sleep, it's also okay. Don't feel bad.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll share all the photos with you. Don't worry.
Connect the
It's already
Bluetooth.
connected.
Bluetooth.
Yeah. No.
I don't know if it's.
Check
For the
with
parents.
Nina.
How many people are there?
Okay.
It's already connected.
Yes.
Leia, there, Dayan. Connected na? No phone? Okay. Let's go.
Paano to?
Closer para maigo ta. Closer na.
What are we doing?
Side ka na side. Side
Okay.
Okay pa. Oh, maybe hug here down. Okay, Lay.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Control the
1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
How do you know it takes the
1, 2,
photo?
3. There's a control.
Look at the
Remote.
bride. Look at
The remote is in Leia.
Does it remote?
The remote is in Leia.
Oh, is that where you do the
Yeah, I already clicked.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, pero mapa. Kita sa. Okay, kita sa. Ali, Ben.
Dawa.
Ali, that's you still.
Oh, see?
Come here.
What are we doing?
Ali, dali.
Who's tired?
Beside you.
Suzanne style.
Oops.
Ani duwaki.
Wala pa nagwaki pa. Nabaki naman yung tao. Oo, wala waki na. Waki na.
Hey.
1, 2, 3, food.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
There's no 1, 2, 3 pa. We don't
1,
know.
2, 3.
Just so you
1,
know,
2, 3.
we understand now.
1, 2,
If you want to come to sleep,
Okay.
well, you're welcome to stay.
Okay.
Join ko.
Oh, sis, Alia. Alia.
Oh, ikaw
Oh,
na.
ikaw Alia. Philippine.
1, 2, 3.
Sige, first. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, dali. Sige, ikaw.
Kadiri ang space.
Sige.
Uy, dapat duri ka, te.
Nandito ka mo. Okay. Leia.
1, 2, 3.
Which camera?
1, 2, 3. Third, in the center. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
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 Okay na? Let's go out na lang to. Sige, kami together. Okay, lagi.
I think
Tanong ka dati, Be, kung nag-plaster mi, te.
Kamusta tayo tuto?
Ikaw, te.
No, in the
Habang
phone lang.
ask.
In my waist lang.
Becky,
In my
kaya
waist
witness
lang.
ba?
Gani. Becky witness.
Boss witness.
Witness.
Oh, witness, sorry.
Ikaw lang, te. Ano, te, oh. Ikaw na nga ikaw.
Manila. Okay na. Center na. 1, 2, 3. Yun na ang center.
Ay.
Leia.
Nasa
Nasa kaliya.
1, 2, 3.
Nasa yung kang liyang remote. Okay. Remote ni? Kang liyang remote. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, click more click. Yes.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah. Do it again. We've got to do it again. Yeah, you ready? You ready? Yeah.
Look at. Okay.
Mom, I want one big you.
Nice.
Okay, together with Dia first.
Yeah, okay.
Sige.
Against Steve. Against Steve, yeah.
Oh, wait,
Leia
no.
the Steve.
I think the next people.
Yeah, we need to get outside. We'll get some outside, Mum.
Outside spectrum.
Unless you want one here.
Look, you always talking with one for Leia. 1, 2, 3. Okay na, Leia? Okay, let's go.
And on. Lian.
Mana?
Oh,
Okay.
nakuha na.
Okay.
Ay, together with...
With all. Lian.
Leon with Lia, no? Nawala, no?
Okay.
Ah.
It's official.
Marriage certificate, don't forget
The gift with big opening gift wala.
Open the gift.
Opening gift wala. Nasa like gift, nice like gift.
Hindi, turn na. Ay, turn na.
This is the daddy.
Nanay mo sunod.
Oh. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
This answer.
We're going to go outside for photos now, so we're going to turn the stream off.
Best friend ni ang witness at sa
Maasa ko.
I'm sure you don't want to.
Narap pa pa. Passport na ko.
My
passport. Ana kay mami nimo.
It's very warm. So,
Where's the...
bye-bye everyone.
Thanks for
Bye
joining.
from your
You bring you in.
room. And bye-bye
Lucy,
from...
say bye to my family.
Say bye to everyone. She's not usually that quiet.
Muna na ilah ba? Let's go.
Ang mga passport guys.
Where's my rucksack?
Don't know where your rucksack.
Where's my rucksack?
Passport ni ate ka.
Give na.
Backpack, Dre.
Then bring.
Andre,
Backpack, Dre.
Andre ang bakbak.
Nara.
Backpack, black.
Katong kwan, black.
Black bakbak.
My wallet.
Ay,
Dre, black
gibi
bag.
ang bag nimo, ang bag nga gidalang pakpak.
Ay, sweeping area.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, quick one.
Ha?
Siguro nadala diri.
Nasa kuan? Ha? Basin sa driver ha? Basin sa tanawa daw. Ay.
Ikaw magdala kuya mat.
Nasa there. Oh, start already? Yeah. Oh, they are gonna start now. Maybe in the... Already here.
Just abandoned.
Yeah.
Documentation is all there. after signing, left there. After signing the marriage contract. Wala ka
Alright. Wasn't it? I was like,
Learn lang all. Set up the ano sa ito. Set up the timer here.
yeah, we'll find a way.
Ano ba passport nila ka?
Nabi nagkuha si Juan, si Matt, Andrew.
Ano niya passport?
Wala na daw.
Dili nato gikuha.
Si mami ang nagkuha. Ano mami ni Mat? Mami ni Mat ang nagkuha sa passport.
Ginawat pa to. What lang. Kabalo.
Nabi nagkuha. Backpack lot. Check the passport there.
They're not my actual passport. Not in there.
Toilet is there.
She picked 2 passports up.
Where's my passports?
Your mum's picked 2 passports up.
Passport.
Just gone to the list.
I'm just putting the marriage cert in the folder.
Set up na to. Diri adre on.
Toilet is in that building. Who wants toilet? That building.
Bantayin din.
Yeah, but look. My passport holder then. No, the passport's not missing. It's the holidays.
Here, where's Mommy Linda?
Ah, sorry, yeah. We got everything. Just gone to the loo. Yes. I can share it with you. Just I don't know the pricing and all that.
Dali ra kaya igura perma.
Pila pa hinangdaan na itong karkuan, iho pa.
Oh, tibok barangay pa. Tibok barangay pa ang kan. Mabisi.
Very when it's long, it's
Ay.
Brad, abandon. Nawala sa mong
Mr. and Mrs. Conway. Lucy Conway.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kasi Conway now.
I have a son.
As-
His son is only song.
Yeah, we're very fast and very long.
I have a grand. Dapat check-in pa ba?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, what do you want? Tell me what you want.
Be back compliant.
One more.
One more kiss?
One more kiss.
One
yeah.
more kiss, ah.
Okay. Good. And then, Mom. Mommy. Oh, no problem. I have decor a heart.
Yes. Pa man na sito na center sa.
Oi, the other one, Daddy. Daddy. You go there, Mommy and Daddy. all. No. Hold.
Na.
And then, yeah. No problem. Last.
Vicky.
You can.
Yeah, you have to.
Okay. I will go. Hmm. 25 years.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
One more.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Wala pa. No, don't move because I have a phone. Not take it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Waki. Okay. Okay.
Okay, has Manong. Picture pa mo dito pod.
Apel. Oh. Ah.
Although I was supposed to
Dahil
bring
na
black
to.
ones and I forgot. So
Kaya lang ka.
no, I just have them in my room.
Unsa man?
They are on the bed.
Iska na dre. You're now Filipino na country.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, go.
Okay na.
Ah.
Oh. Okay na.
Who
Ha?
gonna take pic?
Yeah. Eh, nakikuan, di ba? Wala. Remote?
Can you click?
Remote.
Okay.
Okay?
Love, one picture here.
Oh, you're picture.
Ay, nagtaas ako ng 3.
With the...
One lang for us.
Mm.
Yeah, that's...
So, it's the ano, di ba? Parang makita ang bawat. Maybe, ito po muna. Or goods dire? Yeah. Smile.
Smile here. Maggie.
Here, dili no?
Here, yeah.
Nal, susit daw. You sweet. Yung...
You back to the place. Okay, next.
It's about there.
Is it not straight?
Well, some of it was tucked in and some wasn't. It's okay
That's better
now.
now, it's fine. That's good. Look at each other
You have lipstick na.
Oh, just from okay.
and just lean in.
Okay.
Lucas, that's it.
Okay.
Not too many. We're all going to eat soon.
Yeah.
Di ba na pansay?
Yeah, I don't even know what time it is.
What time is it na?
10:36.
Apel ito dia.
What is in the pansay?
Yeah, okay na tiyo. Registry mo na. Registry mo na. Malabutan na. Marriage registry.
We need to find another dog.
Ah,
Dog is the
have a good...
and the pansay. The booking.
Yes, got quite some.
Yeah. We'll just walk around going to the pansay na lang ha.
You want photo shoot there, Anna, in the park, ay? Nag-request ang amahan, guys. Ipalingkod. Oh! Yes, yes.
Side view, side view.
It's shiny. You can see my white ass horrible socks.
No, your socks, your feet aren't on.
There you go.
Got your knees up, from the knees upwards, really, to get the writing in. Matthew, get a bit closer.
That is about it.
Beautiful, that's great, thank you. And look at the cameras, both of you smile. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wacky, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Just so we got the place as well.
Thank
You
you so
know,
much,
especially
Pa.
on the photo. You want
Yeah, man.
Yeah, sila dito. Gusto mo picture dito, oh?
Masarap ito.
Hong Kong Park din na.
Ah, mga kahoy.
Kuan.
Sila.
The view.
Uy, biya kayo na sila, ante. Uy, yung mga sandal.
Lagi. Doon raman, oh. And do you want to photo shoot in the Hong Kong Park?
We're just
There.
going to the cotton tree. We can find another location because we can just walk there, going to the pansay. I
Pansay?
think
In the pan side, we're going to eat lunch.
Oh, okay.
So, we're just going to go
Okay.
to the pan side. I think we can find location. We can take photos. Asan naman ta? Pan side, going to pan side. Love, I think there's good location near to the pan side, di ba, love?
Ah. This one is Hong Kong Park. Beautiful, beautiful also. Beautiful view also.
Naman mo like.
Tara.
Na hindi ko na Hong Kong Park. Describe. Okay.
Hong Kong Park naman muna siya.
Hong Kong Park.
Tama magbida diri. Ay sila. Sila magbida diri. No, kay sila may nag-watch ba silang Junjun, si Sally. Daghan ng watchers. Ate Delpina, congratulations daw.
Ang saon lang ni pagkaon nga ko sakit na.
Sakit na. Nag-heal man gud sila. Nagreklamo na, nag-heal man gud.
Nagkaon na si London.
Gwapo picture na sila nag-watching. Lang Sally.
Unsa nang hitabo diri hibaw-an ni nataran.
Oh, kana ganina
Ganina nag-live ganina nga nawala.
13. Daming kuan, daming viewers. Dito man daw diretso sa kuan sa ilahang gibooking area sa kuan. Booking area sa ilang kananan daw.
Papa. Andrew. Yes. Okay. Sing it. You're going to witness. Yeah.
Sorry.
Kasi lingot.
Hindi nga lagi kaya dito ang gigikan sa mo. Lagi okay baklay lagi gati palingot.
Kuraan og baklay.
Sakak mo lang to si Katay. Ko sa dito.
Tagaan og address na am ka. Okay mo siguro ni ako kay
Tumulong dito tang sa lagi.
When we sit down, there's you got some gifts to it.
Later na.
No, when we sit down, you got some gifts.
Later na.
Yeah, I need to drink. Yeah. Well, that was lovely. This is Norway, yeah. You've done it. Yeah.
Okay, booking na daw padulong sa lang gibooking restaurant.
Jangan.
Sa Cotton Tree Drive man daw sila gibooking na restaurant dito. Sa taas.
Panside is inside the ano, the park. Yeah, there.
What park?
Panside. In
Pine
this
side.
park. In this park.
It's on that map.
This is Hong Kong Park.
Yeah, inside this
It's
park.
in here somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, so we go there. We go
Yeah,
here.
picture pa man.
Ah.
Picture kay 12 pa man ang panside.
Oh, so
So
picture.
while walking, we take
Oh.
picture.
Okay.
Okay. Ah, papa. Wow. You wanna take picture there now?
Di unlimited imong data?
Oh.
Sure ba?
Kaya lang kay lubot lagi. Kung mag-hotspot, kuan na 39 na lang ako ang battery.
Bakit hindi mo sinar?
Oy, free wifi here. Oh, i-open ang wifi, free wifi.
Naghahabulan kayo. Okay.
Ah.
Wait lang. I think this
Yeah. Picking. 1, 2, 3.
photo shoot here in the
Wait.
Olympic Square.
It's quiet.
Then you will guys.
Again sa light, dito ka, dito.
Yes, yes. Maklaro sila sa likod, oy. Love, maklaro. Sila. Ay, excuse ma. Excuse ma,
Oh, yeah. Gawas gamay.
Lara.
Okay. Next.
Hang on.
Napa.
So cool.
Papa, one for Papa.
Ah, oh, ganyan. Oy,
One more. Oh, I get you. Yeah, I need with you.
Okay, one for.
Ready?
Thank you. Yeah. One for ma.
okay.
Okay.
Let's go. So many pictures, photos.
Love, galing. Galing, love. Let's go.
Yeah, the hair's gone.
Pond side is the inside.
Turtle have the white background there.
Near the pond ba? Near on the pond here.
This one, okay.
Okay.
Basta na, may restaurant man dyan sa loob, baka yan yun.
Oh, yan.
Kasi may restaurant dyan.
Restaurant, yeah. Restaurant inside, pond side. Yeah, there.
Okay. Kuan sa center na ay restaurant ya. Daghan po view dia.
Picture ko alone today.
Ay live ni ako nakatanaw sila ang Junjun si Mama Sabi.
Okay, alone? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, guys. My family is on my live stream.
I thought we're going to the... Dito pa? Go to the covers mo. Because they're still cooking, oh.
Right, I realised that I didn't have tissue.
Oh, tissue.
Tissue. Bag. Pink
There,
bag.
in the pink bag.
Dre! Andre!
Can you get up?
Tissue. Pink bag, tissue.
Tissue. Tissue in the pink bag, la.
Atang ma. Meron.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Nikki, Andre. Nikki.
There you go. So yeah, that's gonna take.
So quick, huh? Relief now. Finish already. Okay naman. Yeah. Nice.
Pana? Walking.
Supportive kaya ang mami. Eh. There.
Let's walk to the panside there. Daddy, let's walk to the panside there.
Have you found it on the map? Do you know where it is?
There, oh, there, oh.
It's over there.
In the pond, near the pond. The pond side.
Okay, okay. There's a direction here. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, we are here in the Olympic Square.
Pond side, pond side.
Cotton Tree Drive.
Pond. The pond is... Basta, naman ng pond. So, it's there. Near there.
Ang pangalan sa restaurant,
Pond side,
Panside.
yeah, pond side.
So,
Pond side.
you are here now. Mm.
There man, oh. Pond side, lake, here. I think here. No, here. Here, oh.
Maybe.
Food. Here, food.
No.
So, this is the lake, the pond. We go here.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, here. Near to the clock tower.
So is that down there?
From here, we go there.
White Lane.
Wait,
Here,
okay.
daan nila gila ano?
Yeah, we go there. Tanong nga. Right there, ah.
Araw restaurant to, the Arrow is restaurant ko yun. Kabalom ko diya, pero lahi man nila hangin mangyaw-yaw.
Okay, go.
Lagi sila mga photographer dali. Siyempre. Okay. They're going down here. Padulong sa restaurant. There is sa Hong Kong Park. Restaurant there sa Hong Kong Park. Go down here.
Right there, oh. Right there, the pond.
That building oh. White.
There.
Woo! Woo! Careful.
Oh, have you
Pin.
got flats? You want to put
Na
flats on?
na napaka ng gown?
I stop down.
Gown.
Put a dress on the heel.
Yeah. Okay?
I'm going to do it by post when it's
Dito ka naman ka na pinot. There, mao. That restaurant.
Okay.
Wow, this is nice.
Akong heels guys, atang-tang dito.
Nakanta? Ay, na, kuan na. Wala na hugtan te. Gihugtan ta na te.
Mausos man ay niya.
Gihugtan?
Kita kong kuko guys.
Wala ta na hugtan. Turtle.
They're craving love. So many of them love.
Lagi dagan kaya na. They're looking for the turtle, guys. Okay, guys, sila sa turtle.
So many there, oh.
Turtle? Ganan ka na? Ah, mo ba? Kung may laing restaurant diri sa kuan Hong Kong Park daan kana ra man. Maybe that building oh because Ay, so nice when Nananaw pa sila og turtle.
Let's do it on the keyboard.
Kaya pa-picture ko diha sa my birthday.
Mm.
There, dali ka, tas dali ka, tas magpamiguhan.
Ah, sige, okay.
No. Where's your phone? Give the phone back.
Unsa to zero?
One. Can you figure out the today in the best pa? Namalun ko.
Ah, yan eh.
Kaduog gamay te.
Ako dabe.
Wait lang. Nice.
And sa kuan sa na cave there, na cave. Na cave there. Have a cave in here. Ale, desulot ta diri na cave diri. Have a cave there.
Dahil nagbaklay mo daw, na nakahulungan.
Oh, padulong sa pasulot.
Video lang.
Oo. Kantang may video. Yes, I have video here.
Si dagan sila kay dagan sila.
Wait, wait. Picture diri.
Oh, nice. It's so nice. Wait, guys, lang. Wait, ingato lang. Hey guys, that's why.
Inatuan imong tiilan ipaanaan. Oh. Ya, kana.
Okay.
Pwede dito. Go up pa. Go up pa. Upstairs there. Yeah, upstairs there. Yes.
Camera, please. Camera.
Tuang Lia.
Camera, please. Come in, mo.
Oh, maraming sakit. Saka.
Basta nila mamaklay. Uy.
Terus dosi pa man ilang kuan daw. Booking.
Kasi di oh.
Bakit ka? Ah, dyan na apa.
Buong na, di ba gahapon?
Kamaulan ka.
Ay, manaluya kami.
Na may hagdanan panaog na pod.
Sa cave, nagdali-dali mo lakaw. Ha? Kada ka ang cave. Gani, kansan. Mada, 9 pa baba dito balik sa pansite eh.
Oh na kani maay hagdanan din ani di padung sa kuan. Sa restaurant down.
Okay, there's giga na to.
Ah.
Bawal ko dito.
Oh.
Na may kuan na.
Ah, malo.
Okay, dito ano lang lo. Let's go na lo. Sabi na ako pwede dari ang saka. Pero ikaw na ay marabal ko ni.
Mamo gani siguro ning balkon ni. Diha.
Gani, mingon gali ko sa iya ha.
Oh.
Dili siya.
Oh.
Okay, plenty of times to.
Oh.
Alas 2 man mahuman ang kaon.
Oh, okay. Unsa na? Unsa na day oras? 11. Oh, kapit naman day.
11
Ay, Diyos ko. Inita. Ang gali kay nag-cloudy. Dili kay siga. Okay. Kumpara gapon siga kay adlaw. Kana magudo po hindi magudo diha to unta pero di man si Mark. Ha? Di man si Mateo. Dia ba pwede tadi mo kuan wage. Diyan na ba kana nga balkoni ba o kana o?
Ilayuan na siguro.
Oh.
Ang hiyal niya lang.
Tara na.
Balkoni na diya yung natingkay.
Kana mo gudo hagdanan mo nagikan mo sa taas o. Kana ang hagdanan ba gikan mo sa taas. Kana ang hagdanan padulong din diha sa balkoni. Kana ang hagdanan gikan sa taas padulong diha sa balkoni. Oh. Pero ubanta sa panon. Ay. Ah? Ala. Sakit? Sakit, wata nagdalag extra di ay unta. Wata nagdalag extra sa kuan. Ato na ning ikuan i-off. Ako na ning i-off, guys. Napa mo dahil silang kuan, Meligin. Kami ay ligo sa kuan ay sa tubig ay. Agad kay init igang. Naglabay na to siya dito. Naglabay na to siya dito ka itong lagyan. Lagyan. Babay na ko guys, nalubat na kayo akong cellphone. O niya na po mag-charge ako. Mag-charge ako guys, kay lubat na kayo akong cellphone. Bye! Naka 1 hour na magupapin. Diha man sila mga on-o. Diha sila nag-booking. Kana nga kuhan booking nila alas 12. Bye guys! Bye-bye sa ako.